Well. Welcome back. My name is Aaron, Big Gun Games, and we are facing Darth Remy. And Darth Remy has 3 Galactic Legends. So, thankfully, Mr. Remy only got 1 on defense. You know, I was like, should I really show me losing 6 times to Rey? No, it's just me sending in feeder, teams. You go to the bottom, you throw in the 3 weakest, and then try to get her down while she sucks the own life out of herself. And now it's time to actually try it. So, where you at? Where you at, Tunes? Where'd the music go? Oh, the music died. Well, that's a good sign. So let's try it. Is it gonna work? It's not gonna work. But we're gonna try it. So this is apparently the team that you want to use. Or so they say. Try to get Watt out there. Since we got the Zeta there on Vader, that does help our cause. Where is... Nope. Weapons, right? Yeah, but give that to Vader, I believe. And now, the only thing is that... What's his name really heals like crazy now. I think I do this. I go straight, to mercilessly massacre everyone. There... I think we can take him out. Just... Oh... You would. So I take... Yeah, just take you out. That's nice. Look at Vader. Vader's pretty dope. He's pretty dope like that, isn't he? Alright. I mean... Nah, you would. You'd take out my man, my homeboy, my Vader. Come on, can you get... It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad. There's one other team. Do I really want to use that team? That is possibly... When they say you and Thrawn, right? I think that's the team that people say to use. Because I'm getting... Because I want to clear out the top, and the other teams. It's my only chance, though I don't even know what to do for this team. Ugh. It hurts so bad. Now I'm killing... Yeah, my Revan team and my... This is bad. We're going to try it. Gotta risk it for the brisket. No, not a biscuit. But, let's see. Oh, yeah, because we can get, what's it called? Alright, swap that with you. Can we get rid of Hoda? How does Hoda dodge that? I guess we call in you. No, I want to get rid of her. Alright, let's hold her down. Do I even want to do this? She's going to go into ultimate in a second, isn't she? I don't know how to tell if how charged they are. But if she goes into ultimate and we haven't triggered Come on, can we get rid of... Seriously, why can't we touch Hoda? What is happening to him? How's he dodging everything? I don't understand. Obviously, I'm missing something. But it is a little bit frustrating. Do I do this again? I don't even know what we're doing here. Look, there she goes in the ultimate. No one can... Oh, yeah. No one can get hurt. Does this one... What do we do that, decreases her... Something... Oh, well, doesn't matter. Should we get another? Sure, let's get another, what's it called on her? And by Thrawn. But we got saviored, right? Didn't we? I think so. Let's get rid of him. He's annoying. How? What's happening? Oh, you're the worst, Yoda. Hoda. I do not. Yeah, I just don't get it. We tried. But let's get some tunes back on and take out the rest of the teams just for fun. I'll be back. So let's just get a couple in tonight before we gotta go. Because I gotta get going. You know what I'm saying? Gotta go. Yeah, I think these guys can do it. Let's find out. Now, you're all relicked over there with Maul and that, but Maul did not have the Zeta, which is good stuff. Yeah, no. Oh, except for that guy can be trouble. Can't he? Oh, like that. That's what I mean by trouble. That's the kind of trouble I was talking about. Can I get a turn? No. Oh, okay, that's nice. Alright, let's get this. Let's get some of that. There we go. Spread the love. Spread it around. There you go. Give it to everybody. Bam! Let's get rid of you. I guess we could have. Oh. Newt, what you doing here, bro? What's all that about? Alright, stun. Shot. Yeah, we go. Counter. Spread some more of the blackmail. There we go. Hey. I can't remember why he didn't spread it. There's a reason. But, nah, okay. He is Zeta, so that... Sorry about that. It's boring when it's just my voice, isn't it? There's more Empire. Where's my Empire? Sure. Bring them all in. It's a good time. It's a party here. See down here, you know, because they're not easy. They're not impossible. Let's just take a stroll, cool down. Bam. Somebody do something. She's gonna heal him. Just gotta take care of Tupio. Yeah, she goes. She resurrects her. You're the worst. Oh, excuse me. It's always lovely to hear, isn't it? First thing in the morning. When you wake up, this is the time. This is the time we have. You know, the kids are still down. All that stuff. Yeah, he dodged. She dodged. The phone is heating up. We'll finish this off later once it's cooled down. I get the ice pack on it. Ah, lordy. Come on, do some damage. Okay. We have enough to get Tupio now. We have some good damage there. Yeah, that's good. And you're done. That's a tricky team. It's a tricky team. Actually, 2PO is probably better than what I put down there. I feel like he could do it by himself almost. But let's not go crazy. Should I bring in Revan? Yeah, just in case. Just the two of them? Sure, let's try it. Let's try it. Ah, my nose. What's happening? Who do I not really care? Guess that's all I can do. Shock you. Oh yeah, we won't be doing any double tapping today. I guess since we don't have. But let's just reduce my own cooldowns and. Rude. Still get fear on y'all again. More fear. I fear execution more than anything, actually. You know, he's got the. But Kyla takes reduced damage from. Ooh, we may be in. We've got ourselves in some trouble here. We need to heal up? There we go, there we go. Fine, whatever. He takes that reduced damage, which is annoying. Can we shock him or stun him? There we go. Man. So happens we have a gear 11 medic. But we got it. So I think the math is that the bottom two are worth more than the top two. Because look, we're behind by what, 350, and this is worth 180 plus. Even if we got 100, you know, we'd have to get like 70 each, which I don't think is possible. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's impossible. Math is not in our favor. Yeah, we'll come back to those ships in a hot second. Hopefully a cooler second so that our phone doesn't glitch out all the time. One sec. Alright. Let's finish this up. What you doing, phone? I told you to be quiet. Music disappoints me. It disappoints me when it crashes like that, but the phone's been through a lot today. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh, really? You would? No, 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 no. Wow, wow, wow. Can I get a turn, please? Wow, this is no bueno at all. At least we still have spy, right? Yeah, we still have spy, which is key, but I need a turn. Yikes. Never mind. So much for trying to lowball it. We're not going to clear this now, are we? Alright. We gotta do something. We gotta kill somebody. Please. Is he stunned? I can't even see him right now. We gotta get some more guys out here. What's happening? Oh, this is the worst. Can somebody please? This is all very bad. It's all very bad. There, at least they're going after him. I would like to have a turn. And why are we not getting any assists going on, you know? We gotta keep the Vulture Droid alive, right? What's his name? Alright, go on. Bring me. Oh no, come on. Why don't we have assists? I don't remember how this team works, actually. Oh boy. Well. That's what you get when you try to. Now we can't even, sub anybody in here. Alright, let's do that. Does that get rid of like everything? No, it does not. Be nice if we get rid of something. Finally. Good gosh. Alright, come on. Get assists. Crawl him in. There we go. But we're not getting all those, And how did they dodge everything? That was 3 people attacking him. No. We're dead. We really only have 1 guy left. The other guys don't really count, do they? Hide, good. Das ist gut. Can you get an assist? No, of course he counters. Let's see if this will give us anything. Can we get rid of you? Which one calls for assists? Does this one call for assists? Let's do that. Yeah. Do that too. Okay, don't you dare. We get 1 more guy in here. If the phone will think. Oh, and if we had some audio, that'd be nice. That'd be nice. We could at least listen to that instead of just me. Come on, phone. Work with me. Okay, go away. And finish him off. There we go. That's how it is. 54. Well, wasn't the cleanest. Put it that way. It's first order action. First order. Let's try these guys. And who else do we want? Y'all too. Yeah, because unless we get like 100 banners, we're not winning. So that's what makes sure we actually win. Alright, let's see what these guys can do. Who do we want to stun? Stun. There we go. Double tap. Should we stun? No, I guess we want to. I guess we do want to do that. It's always nice. Now you have evasion, turd. Stun you. Can we get some evasion here? These guys are the worst. Can you take him out? Yeah, there we go. The first order. I don't need. You have 50? I don't know if you have 50. Stun you? Stun! Yeah. The beauty of the stun. Oh, okay. Okay, I see how it is. Stun you, though? You nice? Oh, fine, whatever. He is breached. He would be. Oh, he's gone, though. Ah. That is a pretty weak Hound's Tooth. Goodness gracious. You'll dodge him, and then you get stunned. Oh, fine. Be that way. I think we'll get it. But you never know. What happens if Holdo does a Holdo maneuver, and then you still continue on to fight? Do you not... Do you get a turn? You know? Questions. No, we got this. He does that, you attack, you're done. Yeah, no, they're not gonna. Look at 1 more guy in here, but not sure why you'd bring him in. Anyway, well, as fun as it has been, sadly, it's not. I was doing it earlier. I'm like, oh, he did clear 9 of my teams. I'm only clearing 7 of his, so I guess it is justice. Both cleared 2 zones, but he definitely put in more work when it comes to the peeps. Look at that. Yep. Well, Darth Remy, it's been a pleasure. I am going to try a couple of things just for fun. Will it work? Of course it will not work. There's another droid. Where's another droid at? You. Yeah. You know, wouldn't it be so cool if he could, Droidica could do it? Will he? Of course he won't. Can he? No, of course he can't. Be nice if he could survive long enough to take a turn. Can he take a turn? Okay. Because I don't think she's, there we go. Yeah, it doesn't matter either way. Right, if she, like, hurts herself some, hurts herself a little bit more, she could do it one more time. Watch. Ooh, it'd be cool if we took out Yoda. Yeah, let me take it out. You, what the, what? Wow, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool move there. And it does nothing to her. It did nothing to Yoda. How does he have like 10 billion protection up? Oh, I hate him. Rey is just the worst. She's the worst, my friend. The worst. Oh, there's one guy's like, oh, you can do this team. But his was relict. And mine are all gear 11. So this will work. Boom. Pew! Because he just heals her up all day. Golly. Isn't that fun, how overpowered certain teams are? Said nobody. And she gives him like, yeah, 10 million protection up. She takes, you just did a sudden whirlwind. Jerk. I just want to get Yoda out of there. Or Hoda, you know, he's just annoying. Ooh, what about we bring in, what's his name? You know, the IPD, what's his name? Bam. So this is what happens when you don't know what you're doing. Oh, I still have like, but the sad thing is I actually have like decent teams left, but nothing can do anything against Rey. Now she goes into damage immunity, but it doesn't matter. She can take them all out. And can you get rid of him? That'd be cool if you could. Can I have a turn? Let's recover some protection. Why? Just for fun. Will it do anything? Of course it won't. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It takes out both of them. What a surprise. Yeah, how the hell? The amount of protection up. It's just nonsense. It's just nonsense. Well, should we do one more? Sure, just for kicks. Just for kicks. That's my last first order. It's my last relic, guys. Still think. Well, you know, whatever. It doesn't matter. We tried. And that's all I can say. That's all we can do. Counter. Bam. Ready? Mass swarm! Well, that'd be great if they took her out. Of course they won't, but that'd be fun. That would have been funny. But now she goes into, damn it, healing immunity, even though it's the dumbest. Okay. Well, Darth Remy, it's been fun. It hasn't been fun for me, because Rey is just the worst. Boom. But I'm glad to have been able to beat the other ones, you know? Because if I hadn't been able to beat those either, then that would have been very sad. Indeed. She's about to take out IPD without a second thought. She's about to sudden whirlwind the heck out of him. Cool if I could IPD Hoda, but he's going to go into, yeah, stealth. So there she goes. She's going to take 3 turns before I take 1. bam, like I said. Hey, like, aww. Rude. I couldn't even blow up if I wanted to. We get a turn? No. She put the bam. Well, again, thanks for coming out and watching this sad beatdown. It's been real. Has it been good? It's been real. Thanks again. Thanks for coming. See you next time. Peace.